What do you think when you see this bird? Perhaps, you might think it's not normal with so many legs. Indeed, at first glance, this bird appears to have many legs. However, those are the legs of its offspring. This is an African Jacana, a bird that possesses the uniqueness of carrying its young on its wings. It's worth noting that it's the male bird that carries the bird's offspring. The male bird takes full responsibility, from incubating the eggs to caring for its chicks. Meanwhile, the female bird, after laying eggs, goes in search of food, seeks a new mate, and defends her territorial area.